Hi, in front of me is KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Apps and Notifications. Scroll down again, click on App Permissions, and over here pick one of the options. I will go for Location, so I have to tap on it and select an app, for example Calendar. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, I can let Calendar gain access to my device location. You can deny it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!